Hey guys, today I'll show you a new method on how to get unlimited amount of Twitter followers for free. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first we had only 20 followers on our Twitter account, now kindly copy your profile link and go to any web browser of your choice. Now search for like for like. Select the first website. Kindly make sure to register with an email you can access. After that, use the verification code sent to you and activate your account. If you noticed we were given 30 coins, now let me show you how to get more coins. You can use this button to get more free coins, but since we already have 30 coins, let's send our free followers.
Five minutes later.
If you noticed, we now have 27 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.